Welcome, peckish friends, to Gina's Sunshine Kitchen. Here's your host, Gina. Howdy, friends. It's an exciting day in the Sunshine Kitchen. Today, our special guest, Imri, has a question for us. Hi, Imri.
Hey Gina, can you make a quiche in a toaster oven?
That's a good question. Let's find out. Here we have some cooked bacon and mushrooms, some spinach, Parmesan cheese, some pastry dough, and a large ramekin. Oh, where can I find an egg? From a chicken. Thank you, chicken. We'll press the pastry dough inside the ramekin. We'll take the eggs, cheese, spinach, bacon, and mushrooms and mix it all in a bowl. Now we'll pour this egg mixture into the ramekin. Let's cover up with foil. Okay, now let's put it in the oven. Alright, let's see what we got. Not quite sure how to check how an egg gets cooked through, but whoa, look at that. I think I'll keep it in there a little bit longer. Okay, let's see. It's pretty good. Up. Carefully. Wow. This looks so excellent, so excellent. This looks so excellent, so excellent. I'd like to thank our special guest for visiting us today.
Okay, bye!
Join us next time in the Sunshine Kitchen to find out what other small food we can make in our small oven. See you next time!